Hello, moneymakers. You are missing out an amazing opportunity here. People are literally re-uploading police body cam videos and making more than $10,000 per month. This channel called Code Blue Cam has gotten 2.5 million subscribers by re-uploading police body cam videos. Some of their video has got more than 20 million views. I know, guys, you must be wondering how to get copyright-free footages. MAskman will share every source from where you will get these footages, and also I will share how to edit them well to stand out from the crowd. This channel called Police Activity has 6 million subscribers. These guys are literally printing money with these videos, and you can do it too. Not just YouTube, you can upload these videos on other platforms as well, such as X, Facebook, etc. But YouTube is the best platform as you will make good money with it. Now you have the proof that this niche works, and they are monetized too. I know you want to start this as soon as possible. In this video, I will show you some official police department websites from where you can request these videos. So please don't skip any part, as you might miss something important here. This would be a complete course on how to launch a channel in this niche. From creating a channel to uploading your first video, everything is covered here. So get some soft drinks, and let's get started. Let's start with creating a simple banner and logo for our YouTube channel. But before that, let's ask ChatGPT to give a list of channel names for a body cam footage YouTube channel. And there you go, you have 10 YouTube channel names. Choose one of these names and head over to the Canva for creating a logo design. I will go with this name Action on Patrol. Now open Canva and search for the police channel logo or detective logo or something like that. So you will get related templates which you can use. Let's select this one. However, you can also customize your own. Just go to the element section and search for the police, and here you will get some graphics which you can use for the logo. Let's use this one. You can change the color of the background and elements according to your preferences. Now click on share and download it. Alright, now to create a banner you need to follow the same process. Search for the YouTube channel banner. Choose one of this design and customize it according to your choice. Let's select this one. Here I will add my channel logo and channel name, and add the body cam photo as a background. This way customize the banner and try to make it simple. Alright, now next we want a body cam footages, so the question is, how to get that? I will show some different ways to find such videos. First, head over to the Google and search for the recent news stories from the past 2 years in United States, which involves police. Search like man or woman arrested by police. Try to find such stories that are not very violent or stories that are involved in any disturbing scenes. This way, you won't face any monetization issues in the future on your videos. Videos about sensitive or graphic subject can be demonetized right away, so it's important to choose topic wisely. Alright, so here I found this article about Cleburne police make arrest in killing of 18-year-old woman. Once you find that police is involved in that case, you need to take permission from the department under FOIA. Now you might be thinking, what is FOIA? The Freedom of Information Act, FOIA, is a U.S. federal law that allows the public to request access to records from federal agencies. FOIA provides the right to obtain videos, emails, and other records from the dedicated department. Now you need to visit the police department's official websites for that particular area. For example, if I want dash cam footage of this particular case, I need to contact Cleburne Police Department. So all I will do is, I will search for the body cam footages request Cleburne Police Department. And here I found the official website for the city of Cleburne, Texas, where body cam footages request can be made. You can either fill out the form available on this official website for the body cam footage, or you can contact the police department via email as well. You can ask ChatGPT to write an email for you. Open ChatGPT and ask, write an email requesting body cam footages from the police department for a YouTube channel. And here ChatGPT provides an email format which you can use for all the case. However, copy the information from the article and give those information to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT provides a perfect and accurate email which you can use. ChatGPT includes all the details, event dates, location, and every details which is required. Moreover, if you want this email format, I can share the document with you. Let me know in the comments. Sometimes police department charges small fee to actually retrieve the body cam footage for you, because of locating it blurring anything, and removing the insensitive part from the footage. But don't worry, this is just a small investment and can get you the data you need. And some states required you to be the resident of this state to request a body cam footages as well. You can find more information on the government official website. Alright, now the other option is, wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. If you have budget, you can hire a freelancer from Fiverr or Upwork to find footages and creating video for YouTube. And lastly, go to YouTube and search for the body cam footage which has Creative Commons licenses. If you take from the YouTube, make sure that the video has Creative Commons license in the description, so you can take it legally and add it as per your choice. Also, if you take Creative Commons videos, do not forget to give credit to the creator in your description. Or you can also take permission to reuse the content from the creators who upload body cam footage, so you may not get the copyright claims. You can contact them through email to take permission. There are also many libraries of unedited police body cam videos available online. It will take more of your time because you have to hide and cut those parts which are insensitive. So guys, these are the ways to find the body cam footage ethically. Just a bonus tip, try to make longer videos on this niche as people loves to watch the whole incident in one go, which will lead to better view duration on your YouTube channel. Now once you get the footage, write down some points which explain the situation without giving away any spoilers to keep viewers hooked. Then use any text-to-speech tool and generate the voiceover with it. I will use 11 labs. Just paste the texts, select the suitable voice, and hit generate.
On October 30th, 2022,
Perfect, let's download the audio. You can generate voice for all the points separately, or you can generate it once and cut it later while editing. Now open any editor tool. I will use Canva. Open Canva and choose video icon from the dashboard, then choose YouTube video format from the available option. Upload the video and audio which you generated with 11 labs. Now add the video into the timeline. After that, add voiceover track into the timeline. Then cut some part at the beginning to add it to the intro. Go to text and choose any of these text. And paste the first point which you created for the video. You can edit the text as per your choice. I will also add typewriter effect so the audio and text sync properly. And this is how it looks.
On October 30th, 2022, at 3:53 AM, Officer Klein stopped a black Hyundai in Northport for stopping beyond the line at a red light. The vehicle's registration was expired and the owner's license was suspended.
Then, cut the voiceover track and place the second point where it needs to be added. And yeah, the most important thing, you need to add warning message at the beginning of your video. Also, you need to add a disclaimer that this video is for only education purposes. The featured content is not intended to be violent or glorify violence in any way. Alright, to add a warning message, go to the design section and search for the black. Here you will find tons of template, choose one, and add it here. Then remove unwanted text and add your own text. Write a warning in bold letters. And then add a message like this. So that's it guys, your video is ready to be uploaded. Continue posting the videos, and once your channel gets traction, you can also start to promote affiliate products on your channel, which will add another stream to your income. If you need more help or have questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will try to respond as soon as possible. That's it in this video. See you in the next one.